Hey there. Looking for a credit card that deposits cash back directly into your Schwab account? The Schwab Investor Card from American Express offers just that, turning rewards into invested dollars. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to apply. You can find the application on schwab.com under Credit Card Offerings or via American Express. You'll need your Schwab account number ready to link for the rewards. The application is standard, asking for your personal and financial information. This card typically offers unlimited 1.5% cash back on all purchases, which is automatically deposited into your linked Schwab brokerage account. My crucial pro tip? Set the rewards to deposit automatically. During setup, choose the option for automatic redemption. This creates a seamless, set-and-forget system where your everyday spending passively contributes to your investment portfolio every month. That's how you make your credit card a tool for building wealth. Do you use cashback cards to fund investments, or do you prefer travel rewards? Let me know your strategy in the comments. For more guides on synergizing your finances, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.